In this video, I'm going to show you other random features in Notability that are really cool. So one of the things I love to do is if I have a new note, and one of the things in the upper right hand corner where there's a wrench, you have paper. And paper, you can choose different types of paper that work for different things. Kids can choose different paper backgrounds. So some students we've noticed actually really like the blackout reverse, which is weird to me, but I think a lot of people really like that on their eyes. However, one of the things we do like to use is the graph or lined paper, which can be really helpful for kids with different writing abilities, math. So, although this is not a reading strategy, in other classes you might be able to do some math and take notes that way, which is powerful. Another thing that is really helpful is being able to add sticky notes. Sticky notes allow to type and or add little side notes. You can also add figures in which you can draw shapes and then it will straighten out in a way that works better. Which is really kind of cool. Another feature I talked about a little bit earlier is the cut tool, cut and reshape, which is up at the top. There is the scissors tool. You can trace what you want to move, and you can drag it and make it smaller. You can make it bigger. You can't see my fingers, but I am pinching, pulling. Okay. You can also use the erase tool, and the erase tool, just a swipe and it's gone. You don't have to go hunting around for that stray little bit. I mentioned earlier the fact that you can press and hold with your finger or stylus, and it brings the floaty box, the zoom tool, in which you can write in a way that's more natural and big, but still shows up smaller and more typical of writing. Another fun tool is the fact that you can click the microphone in the upper right hand corner, and it's now actually recording and can be really cool for students to summarize their notes themselves, to record teachers' directions or lectures, or many different uses. One of my favorite